Hello everyone. Hello ma'am. Hello friends. My name is Wayan Dela Wulandari. So I want to tell you about foot and mouth disease. So first, what is foot and mouth disease? Foot and mouth disease or FMD is a severe and highly contagious viral disease of livestock that has a significant economic impact. The disease affects cattle, swine, sheep, goats, and other cloven hoof ruminants. It is a transboundary animal disease or TAD that deeply affects the production of livestock and disrupting regional and international trade in animals and animal products. The disease is estimated to circulate in 77% of the global livestock population in Africa, the Middle East, and Asia, as well as in a limited area of South America. Countries that are currently free of FMD without vaccination remain under constant threat of an incursion. Next, what's the impact of FMD? Animals with FMD typically have a fever and blisters on the tongue and lips, in and around the mouth, on the mammary glands, and around the hooves. These blisters, called vesicles, pop and turn into red areas called erosion. Pain and discomfort from the vesicle and erosion lead to other signs of illness such as depression, anorexia, excessive salivation, lameness, and reluctance to move or stand. Most affected animals will not die from FMD, but the disease leaves them weak and unable to produce meat and milk the way they did before becoming sick. Next, what causes FMD? FMD is caused by a virus. After an animal is infected with the virus, the first signs of illness usually appear within 2 to 14 days. The virus survives in living tissue and in the breath, saliva, urine, and other excretion of infected animals. It can also survive in contaminated materials and in the environment for several months under the right condition. Next, how does FMD spread? FMD can spread when infected animals bring the virus into physical contact with susceptible animals. An outbreak can occur when susceptible animals, first, are held in contaminated facilities, second, are moved in contaminated vehicles, third, are fed raw or improperly cooked food waste containing infected meat or animal products, fourth, drink contaminated water, and last, have contact with people wearing contaminated clothes or shoes or using contaminated equipment. What's the prevention of FMD? Prevention can be done by biosecurity methods. Prevention by means of biosecurity, for example, protection in free zones by limiting animal movements. And efforts will be made to slaughter infected animals, newly recovered animals, and animals that have been in contact with FMD against. Disinfect assets and all infected materials, for example, cage equipment, cars, clothes, etc. Destroy carcasses, rubbish, and all animal products in infected areas and take action of quarantine. So the conclusion of FMD is a very dangerous disease that can attack important organs in the body of cloven hoof animals, especially ruminants. Animals cannot live as usual because their bodies will weak, experience depression, and experience other diseases that can endanger the animal's condition. FMD is caused by a virus that spreads through objects contaminated with the virus or lack of cleanliness in animal care. FMD can be detrimental to breeders because it will impact their economy. Therefore, preventing FMD is important to prevent wider spread and the breeders must be more aware of FMD. And breeders should clean the cage area or cleaning items to prevent FMD. So that's all about foot and mouth disease or FMD. Hope you enjoy it and thank you.